Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi, or Tinynipsmakeup. Sorry, something was hell. Today let me start there. On my Instagram, I did a poll asking if you guys wanted to get ready with me or an everyday makeup. People wanted to get ready with me. However, I'm not going anywhere, and I wasn't going anywhere when I posted it. So when I actually am going somewhere, I'm going to film that look for you guys, because I'm not wasting clothes. I'm just not doing it. I won't. So instead, I did this video, and I have a July favorites video that I will be editing and posting right after this one. I haven't done makeup yet on my channel, and this is a makeup look, so my name is Tinynipsmakeup, you know. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. So yeah, I'm not gonna do both eyes on camera, so I'm gonna go do this eye and then clean this up because it makes it, it's not, I think I want to do, I don't know what I'm doing in my eye right now. And then I'll be back after I finish the eyes because you guys got the gist. So boom. So on my face I like to use my BB cream. So I also like to use my Fenty, and I have Maybelline too, but I haven't been using that for a long time, since a long time. So yeah, it just, I need to shake this up more. It just really bothers me when people just act like, you know, I feel like with me, I'm so used to not getting the like recognition I deserve. So, but sometimes it's nice to have people like understand and see, Jesus, see the hard work that you've done, and you know, or like the way that you helped them. I don't know. I don't know if I'm weird for feeling that way, but I do, y'all. I really, truly do. And it's just hella annoying. And that all happened just from seeing one thing. Concealers, and I use multiple shades, but recently I've been using dark cocoa, you know, and yeah, so I just put that underneath my eyes, like so. But so yeah, I think it was a good idea. It's a good idea. Right now I'm going to, I just had a brain fart. So yeah, so what I like to do under my eyes is take translucent powder. Now sometimes if I use a lighter concealer like chestnut or something like that from the LA Girl Pro Conceal, I will set with under my eyes with this tawny shade translucent powder from CoverGirl. It's the professional loose powder, and the shade's 20, not translucent. It don't make no damn sense. I have Airspun, but I really don't use it because it is too light. I am a dark-skinned chocolate sis, so no, I don't like flashback. So I use this Laura Mercier, but the way I do it, I don't use the beauty blender and all of that. I take a like tapered brush like this. This is the one I use. I will dip it into the powder. I shake it off inside of the pan because we kind of waste this product after I just dusted it off over there. and I literally press it into my skin underneath my eye. And I'm blending out that way. And I quick like tapping motions. Y'all see that? With me is I'm always that extra person, like, oh, I listened to her before you, sis. Like, that's me. I'm going in with my pressed powder from e.l.f. It's in the shade Deep. It's called finishing powder, but sis, this is the best finishing powder. I don't care what's argue. It's only like $6 and it is so bomb. But I'm just gonna put on some mascara on my bottom lashes and blend in my lashes with the falsies. Alright, somebody say you're not supposed to put mascara on your falsies, but I do, so. Like I said, there's no rules to makeup. Do what you want. You never knows this. So I'm using this blush right now. It is Ben Nye's Powder Rogue in the shade Nectarine. I love it. I love blush. I love it. Alrighty, now I'm going to spray my face with a setting spray, whatever setting spray you use is. The setting spray I typically use is the Mario Badescu's Cucumber Water or the Rose Water. I do not have either of them here with me. What's I saying? Oh, I like to go on my beauty blender. I meant my sponge and press the product into my skin. It makes it look more skin-like. I don't like when things look powdery. I used to look like that. I'm still learning, just so everybody knows here. I'm no pro. I'm pretty mediocre. And this is not where I want to stay. So now I'm going to highlight. What I like to highlight with is either my Wet n Wild, the wheel thingy. I know you know what I'm talking about. This guy. But I did it for my everyday, and I put like this big blush thingy over top of it. But when I want highlight, I use the Carly Bible palette. She did a collab with BH Cosmetics. Mine just broke the hell up because it fell, but I love it. I love it so much. Along with the fan brush, and I'm gonna use the rose gold shade that's in that palette. Oh god, I just put that on all wrong. And I blend out my highlight.